In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the Kanban board in ClickUp. We'll walk through the basics step by step so that by the end, you'll feel confident using this view to organize and track your work. First, open your Kanban board view in ClickUp. This view shows your tasks laid out as columns and cards instead of a simple list. Think of it as a visual map of your work. Each column on this board represents a different stage in your process, and each card is a single task moving through that process. On this example board, you can see columns like onboarding, to-do, open, and nurturing. Your own columns might have different names depending on how your team works, but the idea is the same. Work typically flows from left to right. Tasks start in an initial column such as onboarding or to-do and gradually move across the board toward completion. This layout makes it very easy to see at a glance where everything stands. Now, let's look at the tasks themselves. Each card you see on the board is a task. When you click into a task, you can add important details such as a description of the work, any relevant attachments, due dates, and the team members responsible for that task. Adding this information helps keep everything in one place and avoids having to chase details through emails or chat messages. Updating the status of a task is simple. To reflect progress, just drag a task card from one column to another. For example, when a task is ready to be worked on, you might drag it from to do into open. When it moves into a follow-up stage, you can drag it into nurturing. This drag and drop motion is at the heart of how Kanban works and gives you an immediate visual update of your workflow. To create a new task directly on the board, click on the option to add a task in the appropriate column. Type in a clear, descriptive name, and the new task card will appear immediately in that column. You can then open it to add more details, assign it, and set a due date. Overall, Kanban and ClickUp works by moving tasks through clearly defined stages of work. This helps you see what needs attention now, what is in progress, and what has been completed. You can customize your columns to match your process, add and manage tasks, and drag them through your workflow to keep your projects organized visually. And that's how to use the